Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to take a quick look at how we can download Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio for free. So let me show you the URL. Let's go to Microsoft.com. I'll leave a link to this page in the description. You'll be greeted with try SQL Server on-premise or in the cloud. You've got various options like SQL Server on Azure, SQL Server at the edge, SQL Server on-premises. But what you want to do is scroll down, and below those three options we've got or download a free, the most important aspect, specialized edition. So we've got two options here. We've got Developer and we've got Express. Not quite sure why it's necessary to have both editions really, but you know, they're slightly different. They're similar, but they're slightly different. So Developer is SQL Server 2019. Developer is a full-featured free edition licensed for use as a development and test database in a, and here's the caveat, non-production environment. And Express SQL Server 2019 is a free edition of SQL Server, same thing, ideal for development, same thing, and production, which is where it differs, for desktop, web, and a small server application, or small server applications. So, you know, you need to probably go ahead and have a little think about which one you want. I've got Express, but likewise, for me personally, Developer would have been absolutely fine. When I actually installed Express, they didn't have Developer, so I'm going to go ahead and assume that Developer is a new addition to the free specialized editions. So yeah, go ahead and select which one you think. If you're a student, you just want to learn how to use SQL and you want a free version. I mean, to be honest with you, this kind of blows my mind that you can get this for free. When I was a student, we never got anything like this for free. So the fact that Microsoft allow you to download this extremely useful and very powerful database software for free is absolutely amazing. It's very generous. This is exactly what I use at home. SQL Server Management Studio version 18.8. 18.8 is 2019, I believe. And yeah, you can go ahead and you can create tables. It works exactly like any other version of SQL Server. You know, let me have a little look. So let's go ahead and let's create a quick database, new database. I'm going to call it test. Okay, so there you go. We've got a test database. Let's go ahead and create a quick table. Now, I've been a bit cheeky to get a table. I've gone ahead and gone to W3 Schools. I'm just going to copy this create table code script. So let me go ahead and paste that in. Can you see that? There we go. That's a better font, isn't it? Pretty simple table. You know, person ID, last name, first name, address, city. It's not quite how I would write it, but hey, it didn't take me very long to copy and paste, so I'm not going to complain. Let's execute that. Well, first thing you can do is you can pass it just to see if it's going to work. It says that it is going to work, so let's go ahead and run it. Executed, and the command has been completed successfully. So if we go to tables, let me refresh up here. There we go, dbo.persons. I'll probably go into more detail about creating tables and things like that. I mean, you know, persons, do you call it persons plural or do you call it persons? So there's, you know, there's various things to look into and different ways to create table statements and things like that. But as you can see, you can download SQL Server Management Studio for absolutely free. Just choose which one of these you want. If you're a student, it really isn't going to make much difference which one you go for. The only difference will be, essentially, is that Developer is literally for developing and you can't use it in a production environment, whereas Express, it says that, you know, you can use it for production as long as it's for desktop, web, and small server applications. And with that said, that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And until next time, take care of yourself and each other, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.